topics are just started that what are virtual data room used for these topics. So let's go started. For this, first of all, this is using the virtual data room used with the organization of the business and increase the security the data security data there are the being the increase you need to the replace physical the data rooms to increase security and allow the effective management of data. Virtual data rooms are and attractively alternative to the traditional data rooms as there are immediately this is the responsibilities there immediately is available and provide much more secure to data. The word is virtual data rooms. A virtual data rooms BDR or the simply a data room is a secure virtual space that is used as a responsible repository of a company document. The virtual data rooms enable the secure sharing of the information and the document value a company and its client. This is a contractor and investor in a control the environment. Virtual the data rooms offer the feature such as a document access. This is the resorting, the encrypting documentary, the watermark and self destroying. So next, what does a good virtual data rooms look like? What do you need to consider when looking for a virtual data room? Well, a virtual data room must enable to store this sensitive business documentary security and the complementary. The document must be accessible from anywhere by the authorized person or groups of people. A virtual data room actors as levels in business transfer for required second documentary stores, manage and sharing. These virtual data rooms are using to the companies the seeking to the crime due to the eligibles and the well are managing casing dot life cycle. Companies seeking to others different into the different type of collaborate such as marginable fishing.